What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to Straight Pipe Chevy. All right, so I made a video what was it, a month ago, 2 months ago now, something like that, saying that I am going to be Cadillac swapping my interior. So this right here is actually out of a Cadillac. See, it's got the rear defrost. Hey, you guys see this shifter right here? Nice, gray, old, and boring, and look at that. That looks like COVID-19. We got the Cadillac shifter. All right, so yeah, it is a little beat up, but guess what? It was already taken off, and somebody had actually broke it. So what I need to do is take mine off without breaking it and swap all the parts from mine to this one, and hopefully everything works. It should, because it's literally identical. It's literally identical, except for, you know what I'm saying, the Cadillac one is a little bit better. Only if it had the Cadillac logo right there, that'd have been so sweet. Okay, so because this truck is somebody else's project, they already took all the screws out, so I can't really tell you. So there's actually 3 of them. But when you come to this piece right here, you literally just pull it right out. All right, so it just slides in, goes in one way. So you just bring this down, pull this up out of the way. I'm gonna do it a little bit better so that way nothing gets broke. So once you get the bottom one off, you'll have this right here. It's like a T torque spit, so it's like a reverse one. So you need to unscrew that and then take out the top one, but mine didn't, you know what I'm saying, want to cooperate, like the police like to say. So she got broke. By the way, there is 2 hooks, so you need to unhook it before you do all that. But yeah, I need to figure out how we can get this pulled on off, and then we're gonna pull it on off. All right, you guys, so when you pull this plastic piece up, you see this right here? That's actually how you tighten up the rod to the thing if it's loose. So you don't necessarily need to swap this whole piece out. I actually just like kept hitting that and got that off, which got this little slider thing off. So yeah, you just loosen that up right there and then pull it off, and then you just put it on. But I thought that I can just go ahead and slide this off in that and just put it on mine, but it came off, so I'm gonna have to glue it. It was glued from the factory, so I'll just glue it back together. It'll be all right. So yeah, I'm gonna get some torque spits and take that off. So this dude in a Volkswagen pulls up. He's like, I see you got German muscle on the back window. You work on German cars? I was like, I have a German car. And he's like, oh. And he started talking about his car. And he's like, when I first start this thing up, man, it sounds like a diesel. I'm like, that's lifter tick. I cut him off before he can even finish. I already knew what it was, because there's 2 of them right there. So this is a, I'm not even sure because it doesn't even say, but yeah, it's a fairly small one. So once you get that screw out, you can literally just slide that right off. Pull your little boot up a little bit, take out that bolt, slide your original one off, and slide this one back on, put that bolt on. That simple. I don't know what the dude was thinking at the junkyard. He probably didn't realize that. Like, it took me a second. I was like, hold on, let me take this out real quick, because I wasn't about to take all that crap loose, bro. But yeah, you don't even need to take your column apart or anything like that. But yeah, look, you can take that off too if you want. But yeah, I need to get that piece glued on, so I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, so if yours comes to part 2, I just sprayed some heavy duty automotive headliner adhesive on the inside of this piece, and I just took some electrical tape and laid it down because it'll flare up. And then you literally yep.
I think the office will send you guys later, you know, to fix the cars, you know.
So what?
You see how you can drive with the car. It's not drivable.
How isn't it?
What?
How isn't it?
You see it's too low.
Yeah, it's a lowrider.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. When you drive the last time the car?
A couple weeks ago.
No, that's what I'm saying. You know, I'm working here 3 months, it's standing same place.
I don't drive it on the streets. I just start it up every once in a while. I don't need to worry about my shit anyway, boy. Dude out here gonna be messing with people's stuff. Like, bro, we pay a rent around here, bro. You don't even be coming around here messing with people's cars, dude. Talk about my motorcycle's gotta go because it ain't got no damn plates or it doesn't run. Like, dude, it does run. I just don't ride it. I don't feel like messing with it. I don't have my motorcycle license. I'm not gonna deal with that when I gotta deal with my damn truck and other people's crap. They're gonna say, it doesn't move. It's not drivable. How the fuck is it not drivable, dude? It's too low. It's a damn lowrider. Okay. No, it's not. Okay, then look at it, bitch. You see how low it is in the rear? It's a lowrider. You're right in it. It's low. It's a damn lowrider. What's he pointing over here for? Look how low it is. Yeah, dude. I mean, look how low it is. The air shock blew out in the freaking rear. But he said, we're trying to clean the place up. Okay, clean the damn place up. That means that they're going to start evicting people out of here soon. So we're going to be moving down to Florida. Probably going to put that damn car in a storage unit because I'm not finna deal with these people, dude. Right here, gotta bust that loose. It's coming loose. Boom. Just gotta work at it, man. It's kind of stiff, but yeah, you get that loose, get it taken out, slide it right off. All right, you guys, it's definitely been a couple of days now. A lot of things have happened. I had people threaten to tow my car, my truck, my motorcycle. I was trying to get that bolt out on the last clip that y'all seen, and it ended up stripping. So what I was trying to do was like force it out with one of these. Now usually when you have like a bolt that's stuck with, you know what I'm saying, like a hex head or something like that, what you can do is put it in there and like kind of bend it whatever way, and like bend it and turn it at the same time. And what that does, it pretty much forces it loose. Well, I was trying that, it just kept stripping. So basically what I had to do was go to Walmart and get some of these right here. They're like $5, like almost $6, something like that. I do believe that these are hard. I don't even know what the heck that HRRT, whatever the heck that means. Get those and then get the second one. I used the third one right here, and then I bumped up to the second one. What you want to do is drill that thing out. Just drill it out all the way through. And what I did was I stuck this inside of there and like I bent it and then twisted at the same time. It was looking like it was coming loose, but then the bolt head snapped off. So this is the bolt head. Look at that thing. I got that thing all the way drilled through. I think this is actually the first time I've ever had to drill a bolt, because I never had drill bits before, because I never really cared. Like if something like that would have happened back in the day, I would have just like, you know what, never mind, I ain't working on it no more, because I ain't never had the tools. But what I ended up doing was I put the drill in there. I was trying to hone it out a little bit more. Then I was like, hold on a second. I took a flathead and I put it down here. Don't do that because it separates right here. Now what I did was I just pulled it straight out. So as you can tell, the little screw is still in there. But thing is, we don't need the shifter or the screw, because wherever the new one is, it's clean. It has a, you know what I'm saying, a good hole, so to speak, and it also has a good screw. So this thing right here, I'm gonna use it for something because I don't want to throw it away. Bro, I think I just made a bicycle. I think I just made handlebars for a bicycle. Anyway, I definitely want to like reuse this. That'd be cool to have like two of them, make it look like paddle shifters or something like that. I don't know, let me know. If this right here has the same piece as that, I'm definitely going to use that, because that would be so cool, dude. I would just have to like wire everything up from here to this somehow, or I don't know. Let me know what you guys think I should do with this. I'm definitely going to keep it because it's original to the truck, and every time I get a vehicle and I sell it, I always take something off the vehicle and I keep it as a little trophy or a memento to the vehicle. Right here is the new shifter. So hose good, and check this out. We can go ahead and slap this thing on in here. Boom, just like that. Now we have a Cadillac shifter in here. I just need to go get the bolt and make sure that it doesn't have any rust on it. I'm gonna clean up this hole right here on this, get all that rust out of there. I'm gonna try to anyway. And you know what I'm saying, we got a thunderstorm coming the size of beagles. And yeah, so I'm gonna get this all cleaned up and put back together, and then we can start working on the floor again. So yeah, I kind of went ahead of you guys and just painted over this. But yeah, I kind of went ahead and scraped off a lot of the bubbling paint here in the back. I got my batteries charged up, so now I can go ahead and stand all that down. We got a Cadillac shifter in the truck now, baby. Alright, you guys, and just like that, we are done with the install. Still gotta get all this buttoned up. A lot of screws broke, so gotta fix that. But it's in. I did actually find a bolt and I put it in there. It's not the one that you take out. Couldn't find it for some reason, but I just found a 10mm bolt, slapped it in there. That's how you install a shifter from a Cadillac Escalade into a 96 Chevrolet Silverado. That will actually work for 88 to 98 or 88 to 99 because the Cadillac's 99. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.
If you're not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ, I want you to share this video. Jesus said, go preach the gospel to all creation. Souls are going to go to hell if we don't spread the gospel. You sharing this video can literally get the gospel to somebody and save their soul from eternal damnation. The Bible says that if you believe in your heart and confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord, you will be saved. So right now, I offer to you the free gift of salvation. Believe in your heart and pray this prayer out loud right now with me if you want salvation. Say, dear Lord Jesus, please forgive me for my sins. I believe that you died for me on the cross and rose from the dead 3 days later. If you prayed that prayer, comment saved. Use this sound. Make your own video. Make the gospel go viral.